So this just arrived. Looks like someone already did my unboxing. Thank you very much, Customs. Anyways, I'm going to open this for the first time. You're eligible to get a silver play button when you hit 100k subscribers on YouTube. As long as you're in good standing with YouTube's community guidelines, you can apply for it. In the box we've got this protective material. This is a congratulations letter from Society Awards. That's the company that makes all the YouTube plaques. Next up is a congratulations letter from the YouTube CEO. It's not personalized or anything, but it's still a nice touch. Then we have this beautiful silver play button. YouTube actually made it smaller in 2024, about 30%, to be more sustainable and because more creators are hitting 100k. So yeah, it's smaller than it used to be, but it's still a very exclusive award. There are millions of active creators on YouTube, but less than 1% ever reach this milestone. And the Feed and Teach family just joined the club. This is a big achievement, and it's all thanks to you, squad. Every single subscriber, every like, every minute watch helped us get here. If you told me 3 years ago when I made that first pot of soup that I would be here today, I wouldn't believe it for a second. But here we are. Every comment helped me improve the recipes, make better videos, and figure out what people really want to see. Feed and Teach has now reached millions of people across the world, and that's wild to even think about. So, for the next milestone, I'm giving you more than just recipes. More delicious food, of course, that's a given, but also more journeys, more hidden food stories, more moments how we eat and learn together. Whether it's breaking down Jamaican traditions or trying something completely new, this next chapter is all about growing and building a community that celebrates curiosity and good food. It honestly makes me emotional. So, do me a favor, jump in the comments, drop your flag, tell me which video made you subscribe. Let me know which recipe you tried and loved, or which one flopped and stressed you out. Or just share what you love about the channel and the community. I am Nick, and this, as always, has been delicious. Bless up.